My favorite thing about these earphones is just how comfortable they are, especially compared to the previous ones I used to wear. I used to wear these. I don't know what brand they are, but they're super uncomfortable. They have these weird shapes to them and it's super hard, but I couldn't wear these longer than 5 minutes without my ears hurting. But with these Skullcandies, I can wear these for a long time. I would say for hours, in fact, without me even noticing that they're in my ears. So super comfortable earphones. I really like them. They have a lot more features, but that's my favorite feature about these is just how comfortable they are. So highly recommended. Thanks, guys.